Hello everyone, this is John Francis J. Acebes and I'm going to talk about Plug's model of tourist behavior. So Plug's model of tourist behavior is classified into three categories which are allocentric, psychocentric, and mid-centric. The first one is allocentric or the wanderers, a tourist who seek new experiences and adventure in a wide range of activities. This person is outgoing and self-confident in behavior. An allocentric person prefers to fly and to explore new and unusual areas before others do so. Allocentric enjoy meeting people from foreign or different cultures. They prefer good hotels and food, but not necessarily modern or chain-type hotels. For a tour package, an allocentric would like to have the basics such as transportation and hotels, but not to be committed to a structured itinerary. They would rather have the freedom to explore an area, make their own arrangement and choose a variety of activities and tourist attractions. The next one is the psychocentric or the repeaters. A tourist falling in this category is usually non-adventuresome. They prefer to return to familiar travel destinations where they can relax and know what types of food and activity to expect, such as tourists prefer to drive to destinations, stay in typical accommodations, and eat at family-type restaurants. And lastly, the mid-centric. Mid-centric fall in between these two extremes. They exhibit characteristics of both allocentric and psychocentric tourists. Mid-centrics enjoy a mix of relation and adventure, often seeking familiar environments but also open to new experiences. So about me, I consider myself as a psychocentric tourist because my travel motivations are primarily driven by personal fulfillment and self-discovery. I'm not particularly interested in following the crowd or conforming to popular trends. Instead, I seek out experiences that resonate with my inner self, that challenge my perspectives, and that allow me to connect with my own unique sense of identity. While I appreciate the beauty and cultural richness of various destinations, my primary focus is on the personal growth and transformation that travel can offer. I'm drawn to experiences that allow me to seek deeper into my own thoughts, feelings, and values, and that help me understand myself better and engaging in activities that align with my personal interests and immersing myself in cultures that challenge my preconceived notions. So I'm going to show you a short video that I made about myself as a psychocentric person. I hope you enjoy!